Hi there, Melody from WTI, and I'd like to talk to you about these Nippies. Let me tell you a little bit about them. So first of all, there's satin and lace. They come in different colors, different shapes. These are for those days that you're wearing something strapless, like your summer dress. Summer's coming, you want to really start looking your best. And even if you are uptown and you're thinking you're looking all that in a bag of chips, and then the girls decide they want to pop out and say hello. These are good. These are perfect for that. They're very safe. They're convenient. They're comfortable. And they're very good for when it comes to your skin too.
Having said that, these little waterproof self-adhesive fabric lace pasties come with little test strips.
They are perfect for different kind of material as well. They like a sheer sometimes, you know, it's even with a bra on, things still show. So you have this on and it's perfect. Just a nice little cover for everything. I was using these when I had actually some shingles, because you can't really wear any kind of support. So yet when people pop over, you want to make sure you have something covered up, right? So these were perfect for that kind of a thing. So these are a wardrobe must, in my opinion. Like I said, different colors, different shapes, used for strapless, for backless, for just for those days where you're not up to wearing anything. These are great for that. So go ahead and try these out. I'm sure you'll be happy and impressed like I was as well. And that's my point of view.